Hello students, as we have discussed in the previous sessions different types of topics like real numbers, polynomial and surface area volumes. These are calculative chapters. Now today we will discuss a new topic which is lines and angles, which is theoretical chapter. Clear? As you have studied in 8th class also, different types of lines and the different types of angles exist between those lines. Now I am discussing here these different types of lines and angles. First, intersecting line. Here, and the second is parallel line. Two parallel lines between which are transversal. Clear? Line L is transversal line. M and N are parallel. This sign denotes parallel. Clear? And here L and M are intersecting lines. Clear? Now between these types of lines, different types of angles exist. Like if in intersecting line, if I will discuss angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angle 1 equal to angle, this is point A. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. This is vertically opposite angle. Now angle 3 equal to angle 4, which is also vertical. It should be vertically opposite angle. Clear? Second point. Angle 3 plus angle 2. M is a straight line and L is also a straight line, and on the straight line if two angles are forming, it means they are forming a linear pair, like angle 1 plus 4. I am writing here equal to, because all the values will be 80 degree. Angle 1 plus 4, then 2 plus 4, then 2 plus 3, then 3 plus 1 equal to 180 degree. 180 degree means which type of angle? Linear pair. Clear? Now moving towards parallel lines. In parallel lines, here also different types of angles exist, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this is 8. Clear? Now first, angle 1 equal to angle 5. Which type of? Alternate. Clear? Second, angle 1 equal to angle 4. Equal corresponding angles between two parallel lines, and on a transversal these angles are called corresponding angles and they are equal. Clear? Now the third one is angle 3 plus 4 equal to 180 degree. Which type of angle? Co-interior angles. Clear? Now based on these different types of angles, we will do different types of questions of exercise 6.1, 2 and 3. Now in this question, it is given that angle POI is 90 degree and ratio of two angles A and B is 2:3. We have to find angle C. Clear? It means first of all, we will find value of A and value of B. So that we can find the value of C. We can find value of C easily if we will find value of B, because B and C both will make a linear pair angle taken together. Clear? Now in solution, first of all we will write as, let be the angle A, which is 2x. Clear? We will assume that. Let be the angle, it is angle B, it will be 3x. I am assuming both the angles. Clear? Now see, if angle POY is 90 degree, then angle POX will also 90 degree, or we can say that angle POY plus angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Which type of angle? This is straight angle. Clear? Now, angle POY is 90 degree, angle A is 2x, angle B is 3x equal to 90 degree. Clear? Now, 2x plus 3x, 5x equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, then 5x equal to 90 degree, then 90 degree divided by 5. It will be 80 degree. Sorry, it will be 18 degree. Now, we will find value of A and B. Angle A equal to 2 into 18 degree equal to 36 degree. And angle B equal to 3 into 18 degree, it will be 54 degree. Clear? As I have told you before also, कि B and C both will make angle 180 degree as linear pair. Clear? Therefore, we will mention here angle B. Now, angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Why? They are making linear pair angle. Clear? Therefore, angle B is 54 degree. We will write here. And we have to find out the value of angle C as I have mentioned here. Now, angle C will be 180 degree minus 54 degree. Then, angle C will be 126 degree. Here, this is our final answer. Now, we will discuss different questions based on these properties. Now in this question, in triangle PQR, it is given that angle PQR, this angle is equal to angle PRQ. It means the interior two opposite angles are equal. Then we have to prove that the exterior opposite angles are also equal. Clear? First of all, we can see here like 1, 2, 3, 4. I am putting your name also because by this you can easily solve your questions. Clear? Now, proof. In this question, first of all I am writing here angle 1 plus 2 equal to 180 degree. Which type of angle? Linear pair. Clear? Now this is our equation 1. Similarly, the sign denotes that similarly angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Same reason, linear pair. Clear? This will be our equation 2. Now see, since we have given here angle PQR equal to angle PRQ, therefore also angle 2 equal to angle 3. It is given. Clear? Equation number 3. Now, first of all, see in equation 1 and 2, the right sides of both the equations are equal. Therefore, the left sides of both the equations will be equal. Clear? Now, from equation 1 and 2, angle 1 plus 2, this is the sign of angle, equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Now from equation 3, angle 2 equal to angle 3. Now I am replacing here angle 2 by angle 3. You can replace angle 3 also. Angle 1 plus angle 3, angle 3 plus angle 4. Now see, angle 3 will be get cancelled. Angle 1 equal to angle 4. Now here angle 1 is angle PQS and angle 4 is angle PRT. Therefore, we have to prove this relation. In the end, we will write as hence proof. In exam also, you will first of all draw diagram, then write down given, then write down to prove. After that, you will proceed at proof. Clear? Now, we will discuss another questions. Now in this question, it is given that the angle XYZ is 64 degree. It means it is an acute angle. First of all, draw an angle XY Y, Z. 64 degree. Clear? XY is produced to point P. XY is producing, not YX is producing. Clear? Now you will produce like this up to point P. Now draw a figure from the given information. I have drawn the figure by using this information. Clear? Now next is if ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. ZYP. If YQ, this is the ray YQ, it bisects angle ZYP. Clear? Then you have to find out angle XYQ. Angle XYQ. It means if we will find angle 1 here, then we can add this in 64 and we can find out the value XYQ. And next is reflex of QYP. Reflex of QYP. How can we find out reflex angle? Reflex and by subtracting the given angle. It means by subtracting the angle 2 from 360 degree. We can find out reflex angle. Clear? Now I am writing here what is given. Angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. Also, this is our first point. Second point is YQ bisects angle ZYP. That is angle 1 equal to angle 2 from the figure. Clear? Now proceed to the solutions. But we have to find out to find angle XYQ first and second is reflex of angle QYP. Clear? Now see, in solution, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle XYZ equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Straight angle. Clear? We will not linear pair because there are 3 angles and in pair there are 2 angles. Clear? That's why I am writing here straight angle. Then angle 1 equal to angle 2. This is equation number 1. Clear? And I am taking it as equation number 1 and that is our equation number 2. Clear? Now from equation 1 and 2. Angle 1 equal to 2. Then I will find first of all value of angle 1. It means I am replacing angle 2 by angle 1. Angle 1 plus angle 1 XYZ is 64 degree equal to 180 degree. It will be 2 times angle 1, 180 minus 64 degree, 2 times angle 1. If we will subtract it, then it will be 116 degree. It means angle 1 equal to 116 degree by 2. It will be 58 degree. Clear? Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to 58 degree. Now we can find both the angles. First of all, first point, angle XYQ. Angle XYQ. XYQ equal to, what will be the value of XYQ? It will be angle 1 plus angle XYZ. 58 degree plus 64 degree. It will be XYQ. It will become 122 degree. Now we have to find out reflex of QYP. Clear? Reflex of QYP means I am writing second part here. Reflex of QYP. For this we will find first angle QYP. It means angle 2. Angle QYP equal to angle 2, which is our 58 degree. Therefore, reflex of angle QYP equal to, we will subtract because it will make 360 degree angle like here. Clear? This means for reflex angle, we will subtract the given angle from 360. Then it will be 302 degree. This is our answer. Clear? Now we will do more questions. Now in this question there are three parallel lines, and in the question it is given that AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF. Clear? Now the ratio is also given, y ratio z equal to 3 ratio 7. Here there are three missing angles, which is x, y, z, but we have to find out in question only one angle, which is x. But we can find x only when we will find the value of y or z. It means in solution, because the angles are given in ratio, then we will let be the angle y. 3a. I will not take as x because in the previous question I have taken as x because the x is given here. That's why I am writing here a. Let be the angle z. 7a. Clear? Now see, x plus y. These are co-interior angles because AB parallel CD. Clear? Then since AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF, which implies that all the three lines AB parallel, CD parallel, EF, clear? All the three lines will be parallel. Clear? Therefore, x plus y equal to 180 degree. Why? They are forming co-interior angles. Clear? Next, x equal to y, or I can say that angle this and angle this. Angle 1. Clear? These are alternate angles. This is the easy way to solve this question. Since angle x equal to angle 1, I am writing here angle. Clear? And assume as equation number 1. Now, angle x equal to angle 1, which type of angle? Correspond. Okay? This is our equation number 2. Also, angle 1 equal to angle z. Which type of angle? Alternate interior angle. Okay? This is our equation number 3. Therefore, from equation 1, 2, 3. Angle x equal to 1 and 1 equal to z. It means angle x equal to z. Therefore, which implies that angle x equal to angle z. Equation number 4. Now, from equation 1 and 4, put here angle z plus angle y equal to 180 degree. Now, angle z is, this is z, don't confuse. Angle z is 7a plus angle y is 3a equal to 180 degree. It will be 10a equal to 180 degree. It will be cut. A equal to 18 degree. Now, but we have to find out the value of x. Then the value of x, how can we find out? If we will find the value of z. Now, the value of z will be, therefore, angle z equal to 7 into 18 degree. Angle z equal to 126 degree. Therefore, angle x equal to 126 degree from which equation? Equation number 4. Okay. Now in this question, as the figure has given here, angle PQR 110 degree, PQ parallel ST and angle RST is 130 degree. Okay. In this question, first of all, we will draw a small construction, which is extend PQ such that it will cut at point M here. Clear? Extend it. Extend PQ such that it will cut RS at point M. which implies that PM will also parallel ST. Clear? Now we will do solution for this. In this, we have to find out the angle QRS, or if we will find the angle QRN, it means in triangle QRN, if we will find this angle, then we can call it as QRS also. Okay? Now the solution is, see, since PQ parallel ST or PM parallel ST. Clear? Now I am writing here this angle 1. Angle 1 equal to angle RST by corresponding angle. Clear? Therefore, angle 1 equal to 130 degree because RST is 130 degree. Clear? Now we will find this angle and this angle from here, 2 and 3. Clear? कैसे? Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree, which makes linear pair. Clear? Angle 2 will be 180 minus 130 degree. Then angle 2 will be 50 degree. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree. Which angle? Linear pair. Clear? Then angle PQR is 110. Subtracted. Then angle 3 will be 70 degree. Clear? Now we will find angle 4, which is angle QRS. In this angle, to find this angle, we will consider the triangle. QRM. Now, in triangle QRM, by using angle sum property. By using angle sum property, angle 3 plus angle 2 plus angle 4. The sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Now angle 3 is 70 degree. Angle 2 is 50 degree. Then angle 4. Angle 4 will be 180 degree minus 70 plus 50. 120. Subtracted. Then angle 4 will be 60 degree, which implies that angle QRS QR. First of all, we will write as QRM equal to 60 degree, which we can call it also angle QRS equal to 60 degree. Why we will write QRM? Because we are considering triangle QRM. That's why I have written here first of all angle QRM. Then I have written angle QRS, which is 60 degree. Now in this question, I am writing here given. What is given in this question? These are two mirrors. First of all, I am taking it as L and this is M. Okay? L parallel M, where L is one mirror and M is one mirror. Clear? On this mirror, a ray has passed and the ray has reflected like this. Clear? It means we have to prove in this question that these rays will also be parallel. AB parallel CD. Clear? Up in this figure, we cannot prove AB parallel CD without your drawing construction. Clear? Then we will draw a small construction here. Like this, like this. Clear? BLCM. Okay? Draw BL perpendicular on M. M is your mirror and C CM, capital M, perpendicular. This is the sign of perpendicular. Clear? On line L. This is mirror L and mirror N. Clear? Now आपको proof क्या करना है? AB parallel CD. Clear? Now mention the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? How can you prove that? See, in physics also you have studied about one's concept, law of reflection and refraction. Here the law of reflection has used. In law of reflection there are two types of angles. Angle of incidence कब बनता है? When the ray has passed through mirror. यहाँ incidence बना, यहाँ से reflect हो गई. Then angle 2 will called as angle of reflection. Clear? Now again angle 3 has angle of incidence and again angle 4 has angle of reflection because यहाँ से ray reflect हो गई. ठीक है? Now in proof, see, since L parallel M and BC is a transversal. Clear? Now, if BC is a transversal and these are two parallel mirrors, it means angle 2 equal to angle 3, which is alternate interior angles. Clear? This is your equation number 1. Now see, according to law of reflection, angle of incidence, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Equation number 2. Now see, angle of, similarly, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Equation number 3. Then from equation 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 से हमें क्या मिला? बताइए कि एंगल 1 2 के इक्वल है, 2 3 के इक्वल है और 3 4 के इक्वल है, which implies that कि एंगल 1 डायरेक्टली किसके इक्वल हो गया? 4 के इक्वल हो गया, which is our equation number 4. Clear? Now अब लाइन पैरेलल प्रूफ करनी है. लाइन पैरेलल प्रूफ करने के लिए हमें क्या प्रूफ करना होगा? दैट इज ये पूरा का पूरा एंगल हमारा इक्वल है क्योंकि ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. ठीक है? देन अगर इसे मैं आगे एक्सटेंड कर दूं इस तरीके से तो देखिए ये ट्रांसवर्सल का काम करेगी, तो हमें पूरा एंगल कंसीडर करना है. दैट इज एंगल 1 + 2 इक्वल टू एंगल 3 + 4. अब कौन सी इक्वेशन ऐड करेंगे? ये इक्वेशन आ गए हमारे पास. सी, angle 1 + 2 equal to 3 + 4 by adding equation 1 and 4. ऐड करने पे क्या है हमारे पास? 1 + 2 equal to 3 + 4, which makes full angle. Full angle means angle ABC equal to angle BCD, which acts like a alternate angle. और alternate angle कहाँ लाई करते हैं? parallel lines के बीच में, which implies that AB parallel CD. क्यों? क्योंकि BC किसका काम कर रही है? ट्रांसवर्सल का. Now hence proved. Yeah? Now in this question the figure is given here as PQ perpendicular PX. It means it is forming 90-degree angle here. And PQ parallel SR, or you can say that PQ parallel ST also. Clear? Now there are two angles are given. Angle SQR 28 degree and angle QRT is 65 degree, which is acting like an exterior angle for the triangle SQR. Now see, if these lines are parallel, it means angle QPS and angle PSR both are acting as a co-interior angle. Clear? Because these two lines are parallel. If these these are co-interior angles. That means this angle and this angle. Angle 1, sorry, I am taking as angle 1. Y plus 1 plus 90 degree. It will be a co-interior angle. It means co-interior angle means 90 plus y plus 1 equal to 180 degree. Sorry. Now see the solution. Here. First of all, in triangle SQR. In triangle SQR, angle QRT equal to angle 1 plus angle SQR. 1, this is an exterior angle property. Clear? If this is an exterior angle, then it is 65 degree equal to 28 degree, which is angle SQR plus angle 1. Clear? Now find out angle 1. Angle 1 equal to 65 degree minus 28 degree, which is 37 degree. It means we have found angle 1 as 37 degree. Now see, since PQ parallel SR, clear? It means angle QPS plus angle PSR equal to 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angle. Clear? Now QPS is 90 degree. Angle angle PSR is divided into two parts. Angle Y plus angle 1. Clear? Equal to 180 degree. 90 plus angle Y plus angle 1 is 37 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle Y is 187 minus 127 degree. If you will subtract it, then you will get as 53 degree. It means the angle of value of angle Y is 53 degree. Now we have to find out the value of angle X. Clear? Now consider in triangle QPS by using angle sum property. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle QPS equal to 180 degree. Angle X find करना है, angle Y 53 degree, then plus angle QPS 90 degree equal to 180. Then angle Y X equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 53, 143 degree. Then angle X equal to 37 degree. I think it is clear to all of you. Now this is the question of different type. In this question, it is given that QT is the bisector of angle PQS or PQR and RT is the bisector of angle PRS, and both the bisectors are meeting at point T. Clear? In the examination, the statement of this question can also come or the figure can also come. It means you have to prepare for both the conditions. Clear? Now we have to prove that angle QTR equal to half of angle QPR. First of all, we will write here what is given. Given is QT is bisector of angle PQR and TR is bisector of angle PRS. Now I am naming all the angles 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Which implies that angle 1 equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. Clear? Now see, in the proof, how should we proceed? A small trick, find both the exterior angles for both the triangles. It means in triangle PQR, this whole angle will act as an exterior angle for this triangle, and for triangle QTR, this angle 4 is an exterior angle. It means I am considering here first of all in triangle QTR. ठीक है? In triangle QTR, angle 4 equal to the sum of opposite two angles is equal to the exterior angle. It means angle 2 plus angle QTR, which implies that angle QTR is angle 4 minus angle 2. Equation number 1 clear? Now, in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, we have an exterior angle as PRS. Angle PRS equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. ठीक है? I am writing on the top by using exterior angle property. Clear? In both the triangles. Now angle PRS is making by using two angles. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle PQR is also have two angles because the angle PQS or angle PQR. I am writing this is PQR is bisected by through QT. Clear? Then angle 1 plus 2 plus angle QPR. ठीक है? Because we have to find out the relation between QTR and QPR. Now अब किस तरीके से replace करोगे? ठीक है? Major factor is the replacing part. आप ये देखो कौन सी वैल्यू चाहिए. ठीक है? कौन सी वैल्यू चाहिए? In QTR triangle we have angle 4. It means we don't have need the angle 3. Just replace angle 3. Since angle 1 equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. It is given. Clear? Now I am replacing here angle 3 and angle 4. And we don't have need angle 1. Then angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle QPR. Clear? It is 2 times angle 4. I am shifting here 2 times angle 2 equal to angle QPR. Clear? Now taking 2 common, angle 4 minus angle 2, angle QPR. Now see from equation 1, angle 4 minus angle 2 is angle QTR equal to angle QPR. Clear? Which implies that angle you can write here from equation 1. Angle QTR equal to half of angle QPR. We have to prove this. Hence,